Welcome to our latest South Point Sewer Transformation Construction Update. We're making great strides on this vital project that will support Hobart's future growth while improving the health of the Derwent.
Our work on the new 4.3 kilometre sewer pipeline is well underway. This pipeline will link the new sewage pump station at Macquarie Point with the upgraded treatment plant at South Point, improving the way we manage wastewater for generations to come. During February, we installed nearly 200 metres of pipeline near the Lower Domain Road, and construction is advancing well along Queen's Walk between the Domain Highway and Bellevue Parade. We would like to thank locals for the patience while we have temporarily closed a section of Queen's Walk to install the pipeline. Works are ahead of schedule and we expect to reopen Queen's Walk before Easter. Pipeline construction will then shift to Lower Domain Road.
At our South Point site, 2 large piling rigs are hard at work to prepare for the construction of the major structures. We've chosen a quieter, more efficient piling method, controlled modulus columns, that minimises disruptions while ensuring that we have a strong foundation for the new treatment plant.
With piling works nearing completion, we've moved on to the next phase of our construction of the new treatment plant. We'll be laying the large concrete slab that will form the base of the plant. Then works will get underway on pouring the 8-metre high walls for the new treatment facility. We've recently completed building a new concrete headwall between the treatment plant and the foreshore at Newtown Bay and installed marine silk curtains in the bay. These works help to reduce any impacts from our activities on the marine environment. We've also been installing the new overflow pipeline to connect our upgraded infrastructure with the existing treatment plant. Over at our Macquarie Point site, we've now reached an important milestone with completion of the installation of the concrete piles for the new in-ground sewage pump station. We've also removed more than 2,000 tonnes of soil with another 13,000 tonnes to go as we excavate for the underground storage tank.
We appreciate the community's patience as we continue this important project. If you're travelling near our pipeline construction areas, please allow some extra time for your journey. Thank you for watching, and if you would like more information, please visit us at taswater.com.au or follow us on our social channels.